Hey, so let me walk you through how you can create a new sales funnel in System.io. First of all, of course, you have to log in to your account and then go to sites, go to sales funnel and create a new one. If you want to collect email addresses and build an email list through a lead magnet, build an audience and then name your funnel. Name it test. This will be your funnel domain. So if you have connected your custom domain, click on that. That will be a better option. Then you can select the currency. Once you have selected this currency, you won't be able to change it afterwards. So click on save. Your new funnel will be created in system. Open this funnel and now you can add different steps in your funnel. System.io gives you different funnel templates. You can select. You can preview these templates and then select them. This when you click on the select option, this landing page or opt-in page will be added to your funnel. So let me pick an option here. Let me select this one, and this will be now our opt-in page. You can now edit this page by clicking on edit page. It will open up in the same window. Now you can select different parts of the landing page and make the changes. First, the heading, the subheading. If you click on this section, you can then also change the background color and background image. Click on the landing page and then scroll down. You'll see different sections here. You can delete or add new sections and customize the landing page as you like. If you click on exit page, it will be redirected to the sales funnel you are creating. Now that you have a landing page or opt-in page, we can now move on to the next step. One thing more before we move on to the next step is that you can name your landing page here and you can select the URL path. You can customize it. For instance, we can do a test, and you can also view the funnel step. It will open up in the next window, and then you can see how it looks on the front end. Similarly, now you can add your thank you page. In the next step, select a template and edit it. And you can also add more steps in your funnel. This can be a sales form where you can sell anything, an order form where you can collect information, collect your payment, an upsell page, and downsell page, and a thank you page. Opt-in pages are listed here. You can also add a webinar page. So these are all the steps. And let's go to the funnel list. Now that you have a funnel, and now that you understand how a sales funnel works in System.io, let me tell you how you can connect an email campaign to this funnel, because without an email campaign, funnel is incomplete. So you go to the email section and then click on campaigns. I already have a campaign, so I don't have to create a new one. If you don't have one, just click on create and add the details, the sender email, the name and the description. When I click on it, I'll see a list of emails I've sent out to my email list. System gives you a free campaign, so you can create one campaign on the free account. These are all the emails I've sent to my list. One thing to note that if you want to connect this email campaign to a landing page or to a sales funnel, so that these emails are sent out to those that opt into your sales funnel landing page, you can go to automations and workflows, create a new workflow. I already have one. The first step will be our landing page or squeeze page, where people will enter their email addresses to hop onto the email list. I have listed here two forms because I am collecting email addresses on two landing pages. These two landing pages or two email forms are connected to one email campaign. So once you selected a landing page here or a landing page with a form, you can add actions. This is the action I'm using here is subscribe to this email campaign. When you click on plus action, you can select action and subscribe to a campaign. These are emails that will be sent out to anyone who signs up through these forms. So the entire sales funnel is ready. Once someone opts into your landing page, they are redirected to the thank you page, and then you can send them emails over a period of time to nurture and convert them.